In this video, we'll be focusing on how to waive off the AWS bill amount that we got generated. So in my previous AWS session, it was a live session and I created a DynamoDB table. So in that session, I unknowingly increased the read and write capacity of the DynamoDB table and I got charged around like $8. So I thought of raising a ticket and waiving off this bill amount. So before doing that, maybe it will be helpful for you guys if you are also facing the same scenario. So for doing that, I want you guys to go to this session, this place where you can view your bill. So this is a billing and cost management option. You can find it here. So once you are here, I want you to click on bills. So once you are here, you will be able to find out what is the service that was responsible for your bill amount. In this case, you can find like DynamoDB was the reason and the free tier was this part, and anything about this part was billed for me. So I want to get rid of it. So for doing that, you can raise a ticket. So before raising a ticket, I want you to go to the DynamoDB table in the Mumbai region and delete the table. In my case, I deleted it already, and I'll go ahead and create a ticket. So for doing that, let's go to support center, and here let's click on create case, click on accounting, and let's find billing. The category should be dispute a charge, and then should be general questions. Click on here, and the summary should be this one. So we can just copy it as it is, and the description should be similar to this. This is the template, and you can use it whenever you get a bill amount, and I'll be replacing with my details very soon. And the name of the service will be DynamoDB. The total amount I got charged, it was $12.21, and the time frame was October 2024. And let's click on this one. So I'll pause this video and I'll enter my details here, and after entering these, you can click on solve and contact us. So I just clicked it, and if we come down, we should be able to go to the next step. And here I suggest you to use I think it should be okay if it is web. Yeah, we'll just stick on with the web, and let's click on submit. So once this is done, you will be able to see your amount getting waived off. After 6 hours, the AWS has replied for our ticket, and this is the comments from their side. So they are mentioned that the bill amount that was incurred was due to the DynamoDB, and also they have confirmed that I have deleted the DynamoDB table. And since I'm under the free tier account, they have mentioned that they will be able to assist me. So for doing that, we will have to answer the following 4 questions. So that is what they have mentioned. So what they have mentioned is, which is the month and service, as well as the amount you're looking for a possible billing adjustment. So I actually what I replied to them is, I want to waive off all the pending bill that is required for me to pay. So I'm just giving it as a blunt statement. Let's see if they reply anything back. Like if they want me to be specific, maybe I'll reply back with specific months. And then they asked me, when did you notice the change? I actually noticed it 2 days back, and so I mentioned that on October 18th I noticed the changes. And then the next question is, what actions have you done to avoid such a spike from happening again in the future. So they have also mentioned that it should not be just alert and resource termination. So they are asking us to give any assurance that we are learning AWS and there are someone to guide us in order to avoid the billings. So we have to give anything like that. So what I have mentioned is I'm learning a course from a private institute, so which is actually not true. But if we do not give any reasons like this, maybe the chances for not waiving off our bill might not be there. So that's the reason I have mentioned like this. And then our AWS or CloudWatch billing alerts or budgets alert configured has been successfully configured and activation on your account. So this has already been done in my account, so I have mentioned yes. So let's see what Sudeep has replied, and if there is no problem, I think it should be good to go. And I'll post the status of this particular thing in the comment section for you to refer. I hope this video was helpful for you guys, so just make sure to share this video to whomever is working on AWS. So just make sure that they are aware with the support feature kind of a thing available in AWS. Just don't let them pay this huge amount of bills that are being generated by AWS. Also, there is one more thing, like we cannot just raise this ticket again and again. So if it is a very small amount, consider paying the bill. If it is a huge amount, raise a ticket and waive off your bills. And I will see you guys in another video. Until then, take care. Cheers.